Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to add friends in Valorant quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, launch Valorant and head to the social menu. Click on the play button to get started. Next, find the add friend button. It's located in the social panel at the top right corner. Now, enter your friend's Riot ID. Make sure to type it correctly, including the tag like number 1234. After inputting the ID, hit enter to send your friend request. You're almost there. Finally, wait for your friend to accept your request. Once they do, you'll be connected. And that's it. You can now easily add friends and enjoy Valorant together. Don't forget to check your social panel for updates and invites from your friends. Join lobbies, strategize, and enjoy epic plays with your friends. Valorant is more fun together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials to enhance your gaming experiences. See you next time, and happy gaming! Valorant awaits you and your friends. Go forth and conquer!